Going to be a video on thought process. One thing that I absolutely love doing is I love using the path tool to kind of show me what I think might happen. So what I normally do is wherever I see the price action at, I saw it down here, and I said, more than likely it might come up, come down a little lower, and then the circles represent entries. So this is a way you can, one, test your skills of what might happen. Nobody knows, but of what might happen, and then see where you would have entered. And one thing this does, it actually creates patience because you're watching it. Or, you're going to do something else and you come back and you just see if your thought process was correct, or maybe it went another way. So this is one thing I like doing. For me personally, I like watching it to see. Now I'm watching several of them. I'm not just watching one. But for example, I have another one here, which is Pro. And my thought process was when the price was here for it to potentially come up and then, maybe come down from here. So far, it has come up. And we'll just kind of see if it does start rolling over, so we can enter the trade. We have a lot of areas right here that we were looking at from way back over here. And here, my thought process, when it was here, for it to come down to at least here, went down a little bit further. Then it was up here, and then this is the next. No, this is the one thought process that I had. So come down, come up, then come down. I did go down, go up, and then eventually come down, and then start coming up. So this, it's not perfect, but it never can be. Well, it can, but it's unlikely. It does happen, but this is pretty much my thought process, where we do a lower high and then go up. Now, we could have come up and broken this high, so then that would have been correct too. But this was more of my thought process. Now we're here. Let's see. Do you have any others that I can show? I'm going through several of them. For Link, I saw the price action when it was right here. This is on the 1 hour time frame. And I'm thinking, possibly come up, then roll over. And the benefit of doing all this is that you can kind of, put these out here, these path tools, and then just kind of see if it does get rejected on your areas. Now, if you notice that most of the times it passes your areas, whether it's support or resistance, well, then maybe the problem is, the problem is not respecting your levels. Solution, maybe redo your levels. Maybe you were doing it on a 4 hour, but now maybe you need to go on maybe a 1 hour or a daily. So that's just another thought process. Any others that I can show really quick? See, I don't have that. So this one was, I believe, here at the moment. And I was thinking plan A, which is the white one. Plan A, we would come up to around this level. And sure enough, banged it. And then come down to around this level and bounce. It did come down. It started coming up, so a little bit higher than what my bounce was. Now, for me personally, I like looking at the candle body closes, but I do take the wicks into effect or account. So we can pretty much say this, we kind of nailed this one too, but it didn't go up. It barely retraced and then rolled over. So for this, I would have liked to have seen it come up to this area now, and then come down lower, or at least to this area. This area the most, but I would like to have seen it get rejected here. So it come up, get rejected, roll over, and then potentially, break through this level. So again, this is just a real quick thought process on, here's Bitcoin on the 15-minute. So here's Bitcoin. Price was here before the green started. Price was here, and everything's showing red. And I'm thinking, okay, well, possibly we come up to this level and then get rejected and continue the shorts. Price did eventually, I think 15, 30 minutes later, started going green, started coming up. Do I think it's over? Hopefully not. Hopefully, because what we want is we want nice retracements. And what I'm looking at is I'm looking at this entire move. This from here to here, 50% is about here. Well, I think I may be off on that. But let's just double check from here to here. 50%, just a little bit lower. Yes, it's kind of thinking. 50% a little bit lower, but this area is the golden pocket. So I would really like to see it come up to here, golden pocket, then start rolling over, which would be stronger than if it just went to here, the 23% mark, and then rolled over. So you could count the wicks, but generally I like counting the body closes to see where it actually closed at versus where it went to. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's see here. I believe that is all. Of course, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, make sure to put in the VIP chat. Of course, not only myself, but our other admins will help out. But this is just something I like doing. It's more of an like a training exercise where this, and now here I was completely wrong on this one. You know, here's 15-minute time frame. You know, here we came down, started coming up. I saw the price action right here. I was like, okay, more than likely come up a little bit more. Well, this is a little aggressive, but the movement from here to here, I would say about right here. So I'm thinking maybe come up to about here, then pull back, then come up. So this one was a little bit too aggressive, but same thing, you know, have this, and it's like, oh, this one didn't go. Okay, not a problem. Let's wait a little bit, see where the price action is at. Came down here. And this is another thing too. Well, right now we're on the 15-minute time frame. Came down. Well, first it went up. I would like to see it come down to here. 50% of this move would be about right here. And it came down barely. So I want to see it come down more. Came down barely. I want to still see it come down more. Now, as I'm waiting for it to come down more, I'm also looking for a break of this level. A break of the, oh wow, I didn't even know that, or I didn't see that. Well, I wasn't looking for it because I'm looking for the down. But anyway, as it comes here, it comes down, comes back up, comes back lower. So now at this point, I'm thinking, okay, it came down a little bit, you know, probably to the 382. We have to draw it the other way though. But it's very important that you go from the low to the high. When you want to see the retracements. Came down to 382, came up, came down to 382 again, a little bit lower this time. Here it just tapped it with the wicks. Here it's doing the kind of body closes, which is better. Now at this point, now I'm looking for, okay, potentially we can go long. Potentially we can go long if we break this level. If we don't break this level, well, we have to break this level to go long. That's the entire thought process. We cannot go long. Here, it's higher risk if you try, greater rewards, but you can't, in my opinion, or rather you shouldn't. It's unlikely. It's less likely to go up, potentially. Nobody knows. So price comes down, breaks the level, good. Tapped my 0.5, perfect. Now I'm thinking, okay, let's go for this long now. Price comes up, gets rejected once again. It's like, starts rolling over. Oh, crap. Okay. At this point, I don't think my long is going to go. It could come down in here, bounce to 382, and then break up. So I'm still waiting for this to break for a long. Comes down here, 382. Can't do it. Comes down here to the 0.5. Awesome. Breaks the 0.5, short. I know what you're thinking, Joe, that's really easy to do. You know, in hindsight, you know, anybody can do that. This is what I teach all the time. This is what I teach all the time. Here, we could enter short. Now, it just depends on your risk management too. You know, do you want to enter a short right now, or do you want to kind of just wait and maybe go on a higher time frame, or just see what the market's, you know, gonna do? But the only problem with waiting is sometimes you can wait too long. And I battle with that because I want to get into the safest trades, not only for myself, but also for my group. And sometimes it's just waiting too long. Like all this happens, like, oh, okay, now we got to wait again. But the reason I teach all this is depending on your risk management, you could say, you know what, I'm going to short it right here. If it breaks this level, I'm going to add to my short. If it comes up and then it does this number and it stops me out, okay, well, I got stopped out. And then so right now, once again, I would like to see it come up to around here to come down. All right, so that's all I have. I do thank you guys very much. Hopefully this thought process videos help out. That is my goal, to make sure that you're getting the thought process. We're not going to go long until it breaks this level, regardless. I mean, if it comes way down here and you want to trade the range, higher risk, higher reward. For me, it's too risky considering the market's not great. Now, if we were doing in the bullish market, then, entering down here for a long would be okay. Same thing with, up here for a short would be okay, since, we are potentially, well, not potentially, the market's not great. However, there's so many, for me personally, I don't do this too often, because I find that when I do trade the range in this current market for a short, I'll enter, and maybe I'd say maybe half. It's pretty much like flipping a coin, where I'll enter a short here, it'll come down halfway, and then boop, gets stopped out. So for me personally, doing the shorts on a range has really not been too great as far as my percentage goes as wins, because the market makers are just coming up, getting this liquidity, and then now possibly reversing or just trying to take out more liquidity. But so there's a whole bunch of different ways of trading. That's pretty much what I'm trying to say. But the safer trades are the breaks of the direction you think it might go to. Could you enter here? Sure. Higher risk, because it can just go up. Here, it's confirming that the potential movement downward is continuing. That's all I got. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.